Start recording. Daily box breaks, round 1 of a dual box break of Leaf Draft 2012. Here's your guys' slow roll. Don't say I didn't give it to you. Spots are still up for Sage Draft. Well, I don't know if they are, but check it out, guys. I haven't checked in a while. And Joe B. Seahawks. So, we're going to do box number 1. This is going to be a whole lot easier. This would help if I opened these, right? And they come in cases. Pretty cool. So they don't get damaged in the factory or shipping. Alright. Let me Google the first one real fast. And of course, if if they weren't drafted, then it's going to be randomized between everybody. Okay. Like this guy, he was picked up after the draft. So, we have Jarrell Robinson. Nice on-card auto. And they were picked up by the Broncos. So, the Broncos are getting that. Ben J. There you go, buddy. Jarrell Robinson. Cool. Next up, Ryan Lindley. Where did he go? Alright, I'm going to have to Google this guy as well. Learning. Rookie quarterback for the Cardinals, Ryan Lindley. So, for the Cardinals, Anthony C., dude, you're on fire, man. Noah T., you have the Vikings and the Falcons. Right, these aren't numbered, these two, but this one is. And, let me Google this guy real fast. Let me know, Sean, if it wasn't the last. Okay, cool. Alright. And this is 5 out of 5 Chandler Harnish. And that's the red version. Focus. Chandler Harnish. And he was drafted by the Colts. And that is low. 5 out of 5. So, Colts belong to Ben J. There you go, man. That could have some serious potential right there. box number 2. Yeah, and eBay 1 of 1. Now, what we're looking for is some Barry Sanders Jr. action in here. That's what we're looking for. Alright, right back at you. Chandler Harnish again. It's not focusing. All it is doing is focusing on my face. And for the Colts, Ben J. So you got 2 of them, guys. Alright, next up, we have another Jarrell Robinson. Wow. What are the freaking odds of that, you guys? What are the odds of that? So, again, for the Broncos, Ben. Broncos. Is it Ben J? Yep, Ben J. And that is 40 out of 99. And this next card will be mixing it up a little. It's the U.S. Army version of Kyler Miles. Yeah. So I don't know if the guy's in high school. Like, I had one of those cards, and it was from a wide receiver that was projected to be like number 1 overall in like 4 years. So Kyler Miles. No hits for the free stuff or for these boxes? Sorry, buddy. Okay. Yes. So this guy is coming out of high school, and he's supposed to be like elite, you know? So, and that is 35 out of 50. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take it to the computer, and we're going to randomize 1 through 32, and whoever's number will get that. And we're going to do it 3 times. So here's 1, 2, 3. Number 16. Number 16. Sean K. There you go, buddy. Let me just make sure I don't forget. So Sean K, there you go. You have a potential stud. Okay. So let's stop.